So here our parking lot and entrance. Okay, so first bedroom. It's a small bedroom, square. Probably 3 per 3 or 320 per 220, something like this. Yeah, a bit less than this. We have here a shared bathroom. I like the ceramic. It's like a shower. Could be almost a bath. It's good. It's still under construction. They are finishing soon. We have like the second bedroom. This one is a bit bigger. Could be like a parental room. It's a rectangle. So here could be 3 per 4. It's equipped with the AC. We see the last one. So here you see. So only one bathroom here. One other bathroom outside to be near the pool. Oh no, sorry, excuse me. Here the second bathroom. So here is the parental room. It has the private bathroom, ceiling fans, air conditioning, mosquito net on the windows. Yeah, looks very functional. They are building next door. That's why we listen motor noise. I like to have this first living room, view on my garden. We face here west, so the beach will be at 800 meters from us, 700 meters. We'll have to walk probably 8 minutes to be arriving on the beach. Let's see the garden quickly. So here we will have a toilet, here a laundry, and water space. They are putting the ceramic. Let's see again inside. A large door, entrance door. It's more than a meter. It's 1.5 meters almost wide. AC also. You see. Fans, ceiling fans. I like the light they put. It's mix of iron and eco LED.